She got that juice, little mama. When I leave you, I see you. I can't get you out my mind. It be the way you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to me, KayyJayy. If you are new here, go ahead and like and subscribe. View my other videos, not many of them, but you can go ahead and view just a few. Today we're gonna be cooking because I normally do hair videos, but so today we're just gonna be doing like a cooking video, and I'm gonna be cooking for you guys. I'm gonna be making like some chicken wraps. I made some chicken wraps before. I'm gonna put the video up right here. It was earlier on when I first started out my channel. I was in a whole nother house, like whole nother atmosphere, and I really want to do something different with these wraps. So, but first we're gonna just wash my hands. Go ahead and do that for y'all. Call me dirty. All right. If y'all hear noises, that's Prince. Hold on, Prince. Chill, mommy's making a video. You was over here doing the damn most. So first I have this fresh fryer breast tenders family pack. So I have some chicken breast here. Let's go ahead and cut this open. Alright, so we got these right here, and these were the same ones I believe that I used in my last video where I made the chicken wraps. So I have a bowl right here that I'm gonna put all of the chicken in once I finish cleaning it, because that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm gonna clean the chicken and I'm gonna sit it to the side, and then I wanna go ahead and start cutting up those peppers. Alright, so I got my chicken all cleaned here, and we're gonna sit big homie to the side over there. I forgot to open everything up. Hold on. Alright y'all, so over here I got a lemon, I got an onion, green pepper, I also got some jalapeno peppers, and then I have these sweet peps right here, which are just a variety of peppers that I'm gonna cut up as well. And I figure since they're, sweet, why not get, the jalapeno peppers to go along with it. I also have this blend of soybean and extra virgin olive oil right here, which is what I'm going to use to fry everything with. And we got some grapes to eat while we do this. So first I'm gonna, and I saved all of these bags because I already know that I'm not going to use I'm not going to use all of this. So the first thing we're going to do is wash this. I'm going to wash these 3. Actually, I'm not going to use one of these. 3. Let's go along with the jalapeno. This, oh yeah. Alright. So let me wash these peppers. Alright. So we're going to go one at a time, cutting up everything. And I'm really just going to throw them right in the pot as I'm doing this. I think I'm going to start with the onion first to go ahead and get her up out the way, because I honestly wanted to go ahead and get some pre-cut onions, but they only had diced, and diced onions wouldn't have went with this because I'm not going to dice the peppers. Alright, let me go clean my eyes and I'll be right back. Alright, so we got the onions done. Let's go in and do the green pepper, right? think I'm gonna turn on the fan, so if you guys hear that, then that's what it is. And let's go ahead and start seasoning this chicken because I want to leave it to sit and marinate in the sauce before we put it in with the peppers and the onions. Alright, over here I got some basic seasonings. I got some Italian seasoning, pepper. I am going to put some of this lemon juice in here. I also have some honey, some ground paprika, Creole seasoning, crushed peppers, and chili powder. So, we're going to season with all of this. Let's start with the Creole. I don't have salt because I figure there's salt in just about all of this, so I don't like to really put salt in my food. My dad taught me that. I don't have a precise measurement. I go by my ancestors, don't judge me. Just a little bit while those are frying, and we'll come back when it's ready to put them in. Alright guys, so I went ahead and transferred the peppers over to another tray. I put a little bit of garlic in because I forgot to put it in. So I have a fork, so I'm clean it, and we're going to get started with this chicken. Woo. Okay, so the reason I took the peppers out is because I'm going to make them with the sauce, and I don't want the peppers to be too soggy when I make them with the sauce. I want them to be just right. So I took them out when they were like midway cooked, because I'm going to cook them again, but with, you know, the sauce and with the extra stuff that I'm going to put in it. And so right now we're just going to be frying the chicken, and I'm going to cut this up when it's finished on my cutting board, and we're going to add it to the sauce, and it's just going to be so good, y'all. Alright guys, so I got the chicken all cooked. What I'm going to do now is add some cream cheese. Cream cheese and milk. So I got my cream cheese and my milk, and while I wait for the cream cheese to melt a little bit and the milk to simmer, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting up some of this chicken. Alright, so I got the peppers going with the milk and with the cream cheese. Cream cheese is just about melted. It's just about as thick as I want it. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of honey and hot sauce. Then I'm going to add some cheese to thicken it up, and we can go ahead and start wrapping. Got some tortilla shells here. Take one, and what I'm going to do is cut it halfway here cutting it in fours. Just not all the way to the bottom. Right. So I have 4 flaps basically. See, it's all still connected. Not for long. I have a pan right here. I'm gonna spray it down with this buttered flavor non-stick spray, and we're gonna start wrapping these, y'all. Okay. So first, let's take some chicken. Let's get a couple pieces. All right. Oh, I dropped one. Here you go. Get a couple pieces. And we're gonna take this and flip it right there. Okay? Now right here, we're gonna put a little bit of peppers and some of this sauce. Peppers and sauce. Alright? And then flip it again. Alright, so that's 2 flips. Now on the 3rd flip, we're just gonna have some cheese. Just a little bit of extra cheese. We're gonna flip her over like that. Alright. So, we got one. Shake this up. Just repeat the whole process.
Like that.
I'm using olive oil, y'all, because I don't like the way that spray is. So we're gonna use some olive oil to get this going. In the meantime, I'm gonna keep wrapping. Smaller shells that I got. I didn't realize they were so small, so I ended up using the bigger ones for these wraps. And I got 4 big wraps out of it, but I don't have any more, so I'm going to use these smaller shells. And I think I'm going to wrap them a little differently because they're not big enough for these type of wraps. I wrapped it like a box. You know storage boxes? Like how you do flat, flat, flat. You know what I mean. I wrapped it like a box. Let's see how these turn out. Hi guys, so I don't know what happened to the rest of the footage, and so my camera started rolling. But we tried these and they are delicious. Aren't they, babe? They are so good. We put some like buffalo sauce on them, but they are really good, you guys. So I guess I'll do my outro like this. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm sorry for all the new viewers. It's not usually how my videos end up, but I didn't know. So follow me on my social medias. Be sure to watch all of my videos. And yeah, see you guys next week.